Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 19th of May 2024. I'll be going over week 21, one's review for the SPY front testing strategy, the day open, day close strategies. If I just move this here, we can see that on the 13th, we had a buy signal where we made a loss of 3,390.75%, which is a 0.317% loss, bringing our alpha down to minus 1.928%. However, on the 14th, we made a profit of $4,498.26, which is a 0.417% profit, bringing our cumulative return up to 7.606%. However, compared to SPY's 9.575%, this is bringing our alpha further down to minus 1.969%. On the 15th, we made a huge profit of $8,073.8, which brought our cumulative return up to 8.353. However, SPY has given 10.813% return in this period, so the alpha went really significantly down to minus 2.46%. On the 16th, we had a small loss of $2,432.36 or 0.226% loss, bringing our alpha further down to minus 2.48%. Finally, on the last day, we had a profit of $1,307.52, which is a 0.119% profit, bringing our cumulative return up to 8.246%. However, our alpha went further down to 2.505%. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.